Hawaiian just went by. Anyone want some more useless trivia? That word I said earlier, that's not the coolest word I know. The coolest word I know is a Hawaiian word. It's the Hawaiian state fish. Anyone know it? The humu humu nuku nuku apua. It's a triggerfish. Oh, gold sticky star for you. All right, signs coming up on the left, everybody. Maybe there's an Elvis now. This guy's got the plate that has the Vegas sign on it.
Signature ovation. Okay.
All right, Vegas signs coming up on the left. Here, I'm gonna pop this. I'm gonna grab some quick pics. Right-hand side. Now you can come on the left-hand side, people's personal space. Busy, busy now. Look at everybody. Oh, she got balloons. I did not spot an Elvis.
There you go.
It's a morning Elvis.
There you go. Las Vegas. Pinball.
If anyone's a pinball fan, the Pinball Hall of Fame is right there.
Las Vegas. Downtown.
Little Church of the West Wedding Chapel. That was in that Elvis movie.
Oh, wedding.
Oh, look at the old cars over there, too. There's a couple of the wedding chapels in Vegas. They have drive-thrus. You can get married at the drive-thru.
Get married in the drive-thru.
There was a lot of that hangover filmed in Vegas. The casino's no longer there, but the Riviera, they filmed a lot of that there. Just up here on the right, there's a big empty lot where Ken Jeong jumped out naked from the trunk. It was right there. It's by a church. I was like, get away with that. But yeah, Riviera, a lot of things were filmed there. If any of you have seen the movie Casino, incredibly good movie, very factually accurate, even though they had to change the names of a lot. Hawaiian? I missed him. I believe you, though. I thought you spotted an Area 51 plane. I got all excited because they're kind of right over here. But yeah, Casino, Joe Pesci in that movie plays a mobster based on a real-life mobster named Tony Spilatro. They called him Tony the Ants. In real life, Tony the Ant's lawyer was Oscar Goodman. Oscar Goodman is the ex-mayor of Las Vegas. After a dozen years, he reached his term limits and could not run again. So his wife is now the mayor of Las Vegas, Carolyn Goodman. He actually plays himself in that movie.
to post here too high.
No, look out the window. They're pretending to be ready. And then we have to turn to the right. Once you're ready, go. Turn time to the right.
Now these pillars to the right here, this was going to be another observation wheel like the high roller,
Ah, okay.
but they finished the high roller and said, nah, just leave that there. So now it's just been sitting there forever.
Uh-huh. MGM Grand.
That half an hour for one revolution. It's now the second largest in the world. It was the biggest in the world, but they built a bigger one in, I want to say, Dubai.
No, you have the last one.
Oh, there's the church to the right. Next to it was where Kim Jong ran out of the trunk naked over there. Oh, that guy just coming right over, ain't he?
Towards the go. That's
The MGM.
Bless you. October 9th? Do you know if they're going to blow it up October 9th? It's taken a bit. It's been taking a while. I think they're getting all the asbestos out of it from back in the day.
Bro, what is your order? Bro, why are supposed to rain the first night though? What is he sending?
Excalibur, New York, New York, MGM.
There you go, show me the like, are they ready to set?
The traffic, so heavy traffic.